Hello everybody, my name is Francisco Gigan and I'm attending a psychology degree at Kennedy University. The following text, Psychology of Green, discusses the attention restoration theory, describing how exposure to nature, like a walk in the woods, is beneficial for the parasympathetic nervous system, which regulates rest, and the station. Forbidden that technological range. Furthermore, the most variable aspect of said theory is its prosocial benefit for improved community cohesion, concept which applies to the social construction of reality by Berger and Lackman. A theme in the developmental psychology subject. What primary socialization, the paramedic role in empathy of others. Ultimately, into account primary socialization as essential for establishing early exposure to nature as opposed to technological only exposure, in order to provide secondary socialization, meaning human relationships. Thank you very much.